Michelle over here. Michelle from Indonesia. Misha's only 14 years old. Man, that's even worse though. Hey guys, you need to read this. My name is Baby, I'm from Switzerland. You want to get hot? You need to read this book here. That's the right thing to do. That's hot, guys. Really hot. Get one, alright? Go, Michelle. Hot, 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 hot.
Hi, I'm Rachel and I love this book. Go read it.
Michelle dari kecil dia suka baca buku, tapi waktu itu kita tidak bisa melihat seperti saat ini keseriusan dia menulis buku. Saya dulu sering marah-marah kalau lihat dia selalu pegang handphone dan membaca dari handphone itu lama. Saya pikir dia selalu chat dengan teman atau membaca cerita-cerita yang saya juga takut kalau dia membaca yang tidak karu-karuan gitu ya. Tapi ternyata dia baca cerita itu supaya dia tahu bagaimana cara dia membuat cerita novel.
My sister and I was joking around, I was playing around with her. I was talking about her book. Books is her best friend, books is her home.
My hobby is to read because from those books that I've read, I have collected a lot of ideas. And I love to daydream because I guess it's a good source of idea because it's when my mind is all over the place. And I also love to sleep because it's another way where my mind can lose control and fly around. It makes me feel creative sometimes. So yeah.
And she's a really humble person, and yeah, she's a really good person with a good heart.
Well, she likes to read a lot. After lesson, she will take out her phone or a novel and make her chapters for Wattpad because she loves her readers very much.
The book I wrote is mostly because of having people come to me and tell them their life stories to me. A few of them actually told me about their family problems and how they got bullied in school because of their skin rashes and their medical disabilities. It's hard for me to listen to them because I've never experienced it, and when I listen to them it gets hard for me to tell them what they should feel or what they should do. So I guess I make the books for them because I know how hard life can be for them. So I guess I wanted to make a next skip for them. So yeah, that's what I did.
Saya kenal betul kedua orang tuanya. Mereka banyak berkarya membantu orang lain. Michelle tumbuh sebagai gadis yang mandiri. Tapi di luar dugaan, justru Tuhan memberikan gift atau talenta yang tidak biasanya. Di usia 14 tahun, Michelle berhasil menulis novel berisi motivasi-motivasi buat banyak orang. Tentu membuat bangga orang tuanya.
Hari ini Michelle luar biasa, diberkati, diberi petunjuk, diberi wawasan, sehingga dia bisa menulis buku dan banyak yang menggemari bukunya.
To be honest, I had this feeling that Michelle is a very special girl. Ever since she was young, she had this very good characteristic. And now, she's a famous girl. Lots of people loved her books. Yet, she still stays humble. I'm so proud of her that she can create an outstanding creation which inspires a lot of human beings out there. I really do wish her all the best for her.
Michelle, anak berumur 14 tahun, bisa menulis buku ini, The Nerd Can Fight, kemudian laku 2.500 eksemplar, sold out. Wow, saya merasa, wow, luar biasa sekali.
Menurut saya Michelle itu sosok yang benar-benar bisa memotivasi anak-anak seumurannya. Bagaimana caranya biar mereka tuh tidak menyalahgunakan teknologi.
Michelle adalah motivasi saya untuk bisa berkembang lebih maju lagi.
Dan semoga buku ini menginspirasi anak-anak Indonesia lainnya.
Friends and family who smiled at me proudly, and I finally realized that I was given the privilege by God to have this kind of love being given to me from family, friends, and even people who doesn't know me. So that was when I finally decided that I wanted to share this feeling, and I wanted people around me to feel what I'm feeling, because it's a really great feeling for me. And this is why I've decided to share with my brothers and sisters in Selamat Pagi Indonesia Senior High School. They are family to me, even if we are not related by blood.
Hai Michelle, I really proud of you. Tapi jangan lupa untuk selalu senantiasa bersyukur kepada Tuhan dan punya kerendahan hati dalam hidup. Harapan Papi, kamu bisa menjadi valuable person, menjadi pribadi yang punya nilai, menjadi pribadi yang punya peran, yang punya manfaat bagi banyak orang di sekelilingmu. Bukan hanya keluargamu saja, Bukan hanya orang-orang yang kamu kenal, dan juga bagi semua orang yang bahkan tidak kamu kenal sekali. Michelle, I really proud of you. I love you.